they responded most correctly.
Oh, that's it. But then I'm gonna give Jamie some.
Yeah, it's Evelyn, Jennifer, Jamie,
but Jamie didn't
and India.
at all.
Oh no, Jamie didn't. It's Jennifer, Evelyn,
What do you get free knives
India. Mom got them from Walmart.com. They gave her 2 of the same.
There's only 3 people I seen on there that commented correctly.
Cause there's only.
Reggie.
Oh well.
Reggie doesn't
That was
count.
me.
Yeah. Doesn't count.
What is this?
A little light into the bathroom.
Well, something about the guy.
Oh, poor Sonny.
Just putting the light fixture together.
That's out of there. Made it hot in there. Well, made it warm. Like him, so I think it's just be.
Do reaction videos.
What we gotta do is make sure we keep that.
Yeah.
Keep you close.
Where's Laura going for 2 weeks?
Well, they're gonna move them.
Oh, in 2 weeks?
Not that they're gonna move. He's bad.
I want to move.
Oh.
Together, just me and you. No one else. No kids.
Oh, I had it in there.
Just 2 brothers.
Just me and Josh. That could be our show, 2 brothers.
No.
2 brothers.
It could be like a really bad sitcom.
I might
Hey,
want
Josh.
They left their kids
Hey,
and their
Josh.
wives and their mother.
Hey, Josh. What do you want to eat
They
for
moved
dinner?
into an
I don't know,
apartment.
stupid ass Matt. What are we
Look
gonna
at these
eat?
idiots.
Hey, Josh.
How's your rider doing?
Let's eat bowls of nails.
Man, David, this is a nice hat.
That's not a hat. That's a
Ramen without a hole.
it's a ramen lid.
Trainer.
Dude, I need you to edit that whole conversation out.
We don't want Jehovah to know she plays headmaster.
Yeah, we don't want him to know that.
Jehovah sees everything you do. Jehovah knows your heart.
Milk tea. And I was like, I wish I had a stirring spoon. But because I'm a human, I'll just take a shortcut and use a regular spoon. I was thinking about how as a human society, we just create all these shortcuts.
Oh, okay.
So I was thinking like, the microwave is a shortcut, cars are a shortcut.
Yeah.
Why as humans do we just decide on all these shortcuts? Fast food is a shortcut.
Isn't
Fast
it?
food is the shortest cut.
Well, it's a super shortcut. I would say Pringles are the ultimate shortcut.
That could be the end of the video.
Pringles are the ultimate shortcut.
Because that gate right there always gets left open.
How can you have to have that? Is that the deadline or whatever it's called?
I think it was the wind hit.
The ground?
The wind was 30 miles an hour though.
This church is this house. A Mercedes Benz got a fence smashed on top of it.
Oh, and that's an act of God.
Oh, yeah? Yeah, that's what happened to Duba.
No, yeah. So the insurance is not going to pay for it. That's
Well,
what
no,
sucks.
what it did was the insurance, if she had full coverage, they'll cover it. But if she only has liability, she ain't getting nothing.
Dang it.
And unless it's her neighbor's fence, then the homeowner's insurance might cover it.
That's right.
Joshua could fix it.
It's not her car though, it's a neighbor's car. I think.
Mm-hmm.
Nice. Easy. Hopefully it ain't her friend.
Well,
What a
it
morning.
could be the act of, because when Duba's car got smashed by the city, he was sitting under a light, and a tree smashed onto his truck, and all they did was pay the truck off. Probably after that. Maybe it was recording the whole time that we were sitting here talking crap.
No, it wasn't. I just pushed the record button.
Is
record or did you push play?
I pushed record.
Is record the one that's white with the red button inside?
Oh my goodness.
No, that's the stop button.
David, your tomato blew down.
I know, now I gotta start new tomatoes.
Look at this angle.
Do you think there's gonna be another rainstorm?
Yeah, remember when you came to my middle school and I won
Yeah,
that
we
dance
just
contest?
encouraged you.
Oh. You guys are assholes.
What are you talking about? You got encouraged. You should be glad.
Yeah, you guys fed me this
I
false,
just came
this
and
false.
participated in my life.
They gave me this false sense of security, and then they just whipped it from underneath me.
Remember when Matt thought he was like the greatest basketball player ever?
I did think I was a really good basketball player. I was trash.
But he was.
I couldn't shoot. I couldn't dribble.
And he used to come home and say, Mom, I'm the best one on the team. David, it doesn't matter
I'm not
if he had
good.
to
I'm not good at anything.
I'm the best one at my job. Nobody can scan faster than me. I need to stay off of Amazon.
That's your superpower is spending money on stuff you don't need.
We
Like
didn't need no
what?
lights?
For what? Lights for what? This light is for what?
To see in the bathroom.
Why do they need to see, babe?
Okay, go on.
Alright, dude. How are we gonna do this? Are we gonna do this like a vlog? I said do it like a vlog because that'll make fun. Hey, what are we doing today, babe?
I'm making egg sandwiches in the air fryer.
But Dave, how do you make an egg sandwich in the air fryer?
What a dumb.
You air fry it.
There we go.
Alright, let's go into the bathroom.
Okay, so what I started with
We have to turn off the power.
Just have the light switch.
and then
And then
And use it for the other house. I was gonna try and clean it up and paint it. What do you think? But I guess, well, you can't make somebody stop drinking. So he's on his own. But he ain't gonna keep doing it at the house because I took a video. Who told us to stop doing that?
what?
Making them videos 2 hours long, reading the ingredients and stuff.
It's 10 minutes longer, you get advertisements.
What's that advertisement?
No, if it's 10 minutes longer, you get to put advertisement on your video.
I know, but if nobody watches it because they're bored with tears,
It doesn't matter as long as it's 10 minutes longer.
but people are bored and they won't watch your videos.
They don't know if the video sucks. But they'll see the advertisement before the video starts.
Well, if you commonly watch our videos and 9 out of 10 suck, then you're not gonna watch any of them. David. We'll be helping Nye
Do what?
redo his kitchen and bathroom
Why?
because he wants to redo it. What do you do?
For the most part, I think the black rod is neutral brown. And then put in the brown, which is the proper one, and the black rod for the brown. But it should be fine. What are you doing, Scottster? You little Scotty. You little stupid dog, you. Stupid little Scotty.
Oh.
How do you feel about gas prices going up?
So gas prices always go up.
Not as much as it will be.
They do. They fluctuate. They were just $400. They were $4 just a couple of months ago.
Now
They go
imagine-
up and down, up and down.
Now imagine having to pay foreign countries for gas. How much was it back then?
What are you talking about?
Just saying.
We've always paid foreign countries for gas. Why do you
That's
think
not
we?
true.
Why do you think we were in a war for all those years in Afghanistan? It's because we were fighting over oil.
That's what I'm saying.
We've always
But we had a chance to
It's
get
no
out of that.
difference. No, we didn't.
Why? Why?
Because you're talking about the Canadian pipeline.
Yeah.
That wasn't a good deal
How come?
because it wasn't good for the earth.
Okay.
And we're trying to do different emissions. Maybe we should be, instead of digging into fossil fuels, we should be digging into energy, green energy.
Okay, but until then, why pay aggressive foreign countries for oil when we can pay our neighbor and have jobs for
Oh,
ourselves?
now all of a sudden they're our neighbor, but all the other things that they.
Well, I say neighbor because
No, I'm just saying that people,
you don't have to cross the sea.
I mean, deals are made. Everybody has a reason why they do something or they don't. When Trump made the Green Deal, that pipeline deal, he probably thought it was a good idea. There's another group in now, they don't think it's a good idea. Everybody has their own idea.
Well, you know why they don't think it's a good idea though?
Why?
Because they wanted to get off this fossil fuels.
Yeah, and they want us to learn solar and everything else because they're trying to save the earth
Well, let's think about
for
this.
years to come.
So, it's going to take 50-something years probably?
It's not gonna take 50-something years.
All right, how many years do you think?
I don't know how many years, but if you don't start, then you won't succeed.
Yeah, but... Well, okay.
That's just like the Alaskan pipeline when they built that, right? Look what happened with all that. Oil spilled all into the ocean, corroded the ocean, killed so many sea creatures.
That kind of stuff happens. Nothing's perfect.
That's what I'm saying. Nothing's perfect. So you got the Green New Deal trying to use renewable energy and teach people new jobs so they're not going to do.
So you cut all the jobs now? So now people are unemployed and have to live off the government? Which makes the government have to work
Unless
harder?
you're training them to do new jobs.
Yeah, but how do the people work if they don't have a job?
Training them to do new jobs. Most training jobs you're paid.
So we buy foreign oil,
Which is we've been doing for ever since I was a little girl.
which has been terrible.
I remember since I was a little girl, we've been buying foreign oil. All of a sudden now,
But we're giving the jobs to other people.
that we are buying foreign oil for years and years.
Yeah, but you can
I want them different labels.
stop that though, no? Hey, I don't think those lampshades, might.
They do fit. They go on. They came with it. Oh, you mean on this medicine cabinet that I might have to make smaller?
Yeah.
Dang it! Now I might have to buy a new medicine cabinet. That's all right. Maybe I'll put a mirror there instead, anyways. And then that'll keep people from putting stuff in the medicine cabinet.
Let me get my level. I don't think it's level.
Nope, it's tilted this way.
Hold on. In the middle? Looks like in the middle of me.
Well, that's one thing I forgot. Some light bulbs.
Black man did not invent the light bulb.
No, tell me.
When it gets to the light bulb, Joshua,
A white man.
what's the white man's name?
Huh?
I think it was Thomas Edison.
But did you know a black man did improve the light bulb?
What did he do?
He made it turn on.
He increased the filament life.
What's that mean?
The filament.
That's the thing that makes the light bulb turn on, dude.
He
Or make
increased.
light.
He increased the life.
So they last longer instead of burning out so quickly.
Yeah.
Interesting.
Oh, it fits! Yay! That means I can't get those long light bulbs though.
That word. Sorry, I thought that was a random fact we didn't know today.
Well,
You got the light bulb?
The filament.
I picked up the light bulb,
And tilt the filament.
so I explained the history of it.
That's right.
It's a stupid light.
Why is it stupid?
Look how dark it is in here.
Yeah, it doesn't.
You only have one bulb.
I think
It
it might be the
doesn't
shade.
matter.
I think it's the
Just
shade.
put the other shade on. I'm gonna get the light bulb for it.
Well, it's not bad. It's good.
I think
I
that's
like
what-
it.
That shade works really well.
It's excellent.
Once we get the other shade
If
on,
you don't have the shade on at all, it'll probably look better.
We're-
all the
no, we're gonna put the shade
Why do you
on.
light up? You're not dressing up there.
Yes, but we want people to stop shitting on the toilet seat.
That's not gonna happen.
They need to be able to see where they're aiming their butt.
Yeah, the light's pointing downward.
Oh, David, speaking of butts, the egg sandwich.
Oh yeah.
Yay! Now we'll get the correct light bulbs.